Hi everyone! How are you all doing today? Let's talk about the sound of E. 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 Now let's read some words. Don't forget to repeat after me. Read. Read. Feel. Feel. Seat. Seat. Feel. Seal. Beak. Beak. Beans. Beans. Leak. Leak. Gleam. Gleam. Clean. Clean. Dream. Dream. Beach. Beach. Stream. Stream. Cream. Cream. Scream. Scream. Feast. Feast. Okay, let's read some sentences. Bean had a bad dream. The gems gleam in the dark. We will clean the house. A seal lives in a cold place. Our teacher told us to read the book. Good job, everyone! See you again next time!